Rebook your ticket when a flight is cancelled on short notice with the Swiss Chat Assistant. If your flight with Swiss, Lufthansa or Austrian Airlines has been cancelled on short notice, we let you know by email. To rebook on another flight free of charge, simply click Find Alternative Flights and you will be forwarded directly to the Swiss Chat Assistant. Select the option to rebook your flight. Enter the booking number and your last name. Now just select a suitable alternative and complete the process. And that's it. Easy, convenient and fast. If you do not wish to rebook, you can also request a refund of the ticket via the Chat Assistant. The Swiss Chat Assistant is always there for you at swiss.com/chat.